Hello, YouTuber woobers. So here's a little video of a puppet that I made with Adobe Photoshop and Animator. It's just the beginning. I know I don't quit my day job, but I just started taking a class on it. So I was walking along the street one day, and gee, I don't know, I saw something funny. It was a thing. It was so funny. And then I was over here, and I was over there, and next thing I know, I'm looking in the mirror. I see somebody that looks just like me. Me! Can you believe it? Somebody that actually looks like me, talks like me, and could be me. Except he had big ears, these looking eyes, these bushy eyebrows. I don't know. I don't know. I think his name was Harry. Wait, my name is Harry. I got big ears. And wait, I got bushy eyebrows too. My computer is not keeping up with this program. But that's okay. We can't all be perfect. So here's another day here. It's a second week of a not a really great grow. And I think the reason why is because during the germination period and the grow, well, now it's better in there, but the temperature needs to be above 70. Unfortunately, since I'm on a 2-week cycle, I don't really realize how messed up a grow is going to be until actually after a time period goes by and it's too late to fix it. So yeah. So as you can see, it's not going to be another good harvest this week. It's going to be a better harvest than the week before, but the radishes are definitely not doing well. And yeah, the sunflowers are doing better, but not a lot of them are. Now, one of the things I'm trying is I put some elastic bands around the tray for the corn because light seems to get into it. Now what I've done for the next grow is that I'm going to do a whole tray of corn so that I can move that tray away from the lights into a darker place in the greenhouse. But it's the best I can do for now. So I just took the half tray and doubled it, and then I put a rubber band around it to keep it on the tray so it can't get lifted up. And it's going to take me 2 weeks to fix that. They need to be in total darkness for the corn in order for them not to green. So hopefully I'll get a good sunflower harvest this week, at least enough. And next week will be better. The stack is already tipping over of trays, so they're ready to go out on their trays. Ta-ta.